Say hello. Hello. Today we will be unboxing something from Xiaomi. Dada bought this. Dada just got home galing sa SM. So this is a plug and play home security camera. It's compact and again it's plug and play, and this one is Xiaomi Smart Camera C400. Yan yung model niya. So si Mr. siya yung tech savvy, siya yung bahalang mag-setup nito. Pero this is plug and play, so madali lang ito. Now, we are gonna take it out of the box. Okay. Yan. It's very compact. First, meron tayong maliit na box dito. You show it to them, Elula. Okay, if we open this, this will be, I think this is the dock. Kasi may mga tornilyo sa intox. Meron tayo ditong power cord. Okay, you're gonna put it back. And then, meron din ditong some paperwork. Like the manual, user's guide, ng warranty yata to. Now, this is the camera itself. So, it's very compact. Ang gagawin mo lang is to download the app. Sa phone, daddy lang o pwede sa laptop. Pwede both. So, meron na din siyang speaker. Ito ay 360 yung nagagawa niyang turn. May motion sensors na din siya, so nadidetect niya yung motion. And good thing about this is, like I said, plug and play siya. Walang storage to daddy, no? So, meron siyang storage, pero gano'n ka? Bibili ka pa rin ng SD card. Pero I think kaya naman yata itong tawag nito. Hindi lang alam. Pero again, this is the first time na pumili kami nito kasi last night nawawala yung mga halaman ni Mr. at saka yung bakal na part na stand ng electric fan ni Mama. So, sabi nga ni Dada, it's not about those stuff na nawala, but kasi nangyari na din yun last year. It's more of the security namin dito sa bahay kasi madalas si Dada talaga yung lumalabas at kami na yung naiwan. Now, again, this one has a speaker, has a camera, it has motion sensors, and very compact. Plug and play na siya. We are gonna set it up and we will keep you guys updated dito sa aming Xiaomi na camera. Again, this is the model C400 and ang presyo nito is before VAT is 1,731 plus yung final na ano niya kasama na yung mga taxes 1,939. Now, this was recommended to us by Ate Jovi. You say hi to Ate Jovi. Hi Ate Jovi, thank you for recommending this. Oh, security camera. We are gonna set it up. That is gonna set it up. Oh, thank you daw. Now, tuwan-tuwa. So, itatry namin to. Ate Jovi said na first, nag-try sila bumili ng isa and then bumalik sila the following day kasi nagustuhan nga nila. Malinaw yung camera, pinakita na sa amin ni Ate Jovi kanina. Binigyan niya kami ng walkthrough. And, yep, gagamayin din ni Daddy pag nagustuhan. Baka maglagay na din kami dito sa loob ng bahay. But, so far safe naman dito sa loob ng bahay. Ang isi-secure muna namin is yung garahe saka yung sa may labas ng gate. And there it is. So, very compact siya kasi laki lang siya ng mukha ni Ilula. If not, mas maliit na siya sa mukha ni Lulay. And busy-busy din siya sa pag-unboxing. Kasi ito yung magiging unboxing serye ni Elula. You like it, you like that, you like that, you like that. Okay, you say goodbye na. You say, my name is Alexandra Elula Hanael Gahilioma Martino and magbababay na daw kami sa aming unboxing serye. Bukas na naman daw ulit. Say, bye-bye! We're waving, we're waving, we're waving, 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 we're waving, we're waving, we're waving. Now we stop. Stop. Stop, stop.